Hello again, internet viewers. This is Gabriel Gonzalez over here at MarineMax St. Pete, and today I'm going to walk you through this 270 Vantage. It's a 2017. It's a brand new big trade-in that we just got in. Actually, it's got really minimal hours on it. A beautiful boat, looks just like new. Only a few months old. Dual 300 Verados on the back. They're the white Verados. Really nice upgrade. I'm gonna hop on aboard. Again, like I tell you guys, this boat is brand spanking new, basically. Looks exactly like the brand new one we have on the property over there. It's a great boat. You guys may ask, you got a 270 Vantage 2017 used boat. Why did the customer trade this boat in? Well, they realized they wanted to go to a 32. Absolutely beautiful boat.